You know, every agent in the insurance business that's selling life and annuities are looking for game-changing opportunities. And you know, I think we have one here at Rd Marketing. So stay tuned to this episode of Selling Life and Annuities, where we're going to be talking about the next big game changer. Hi, I'm Randy Pierson, Vice President of Life and Annuities at Rd Marketing. And today with me, I've got Brendon Crook, one of our marketers in the annuity space. And we're going to be talking about a game-changing opportunity. So Brendon, you know, I know we've got a very robust portfolio of annuity products. What's unique about this particular opportunity?
Yeah, a couple things there on our portfolio. We do have all the industry-leading annuity products. More exciting than that, we do have some new annuities coming out, both new to Rd Marketing products, but even more exciting, new to the industry products. And to be a little more specific, it's introduced by Nationwide, which is an A+ carrier, very well known. Been making strides through the industry since they've gotten into the annuity world.
Excellent.
And the product is going to be called their Peak 10.
Wow. All right. So Peak 10, and I believe you said to me this product has a limited distribution?
It does.
Okay.
Yes. And so what that essentially means, in short, is that not everybody is going to be able to offer this product to all the agents or advisors out there in the field. You know, as an example, I know there's a lot of agents out there that are already familiar with Nationwide. However, the products we're offering before with Nationwide, they would not be able to have this product unless they contracted with Rd Marketing.
All right, fantastic. I must say that as the Vice President of Life and Annuities at Rd Marketing, I love exclusivity. So as Brendon just mentioned, if you want access to this exclusive product, you got to talk to us. But I'm sure agents that are watching this video and they hear that it's exclusive, their next question has got to be, is it competitive? Right. I mean, is this product even worth inquiring about? So tell us, is it competitive?
Oh, definitely. If it's not a zero, it's definitely a hero, right? So preliminary numbers looking at it, this is definitely going to be a top income option. So if any advisors out there have clients looking for lifetime income, then this is definitely a product that you're going to want in your arsenal.
All right. So great for income. What about growth?
Yes.
I mean, is this going to meet clients' needs from a growth perspective as well?
It does. And so on top of that, it's also going to aid to what we see agents and clients looking for a lot. So typically, when it comes to an income rider type of annuity, there's going to be a fee to that rider, right?
Okay.
This product is going to have two options for you. It's going to have a free option. So if you have a client that isn't wanting they just charges, right? You're gonna have that option and get a good roll-up rate there.
Okay.
But then if you want a little better roll-up and a bonus up front, then there will be a small charge to that.
All right. So a free option and a modest charge option with an enhanced roll-up and a bonus.
And a bonus.
Fantastic. That sounds super competitive. What about other benefits, features? Are there anything else on this annuity that might sizzle for an agent and their clients?
Yeah, so one of the things that Nationwide offers to any client that has an annuity contract with Nationwide is what's called their Care Concierge.
Okay.
And what that program can do is, one, retain your clients because it's something that they're going to be often using more than likely. And what that can offer is things from, health challenges, legal questions. They're going to have access to a ton of industry professionals in those different areas to help them out throughout their lifetime. And this is available for the annuity contract holder and family members. So parents, children, beneficiaries. So really great benefit on top of an already amazing annuity.
All right, fantastic. The name of the product is Peak 10.
Peak 10.
Right? And therefore, 10-year FIA product, right? What's the minimum premium?
The minimum premium is $25,000.
All right, so $25,000 minimum premium. If an agent is watching this video and we've intrigued them, how might they get started?
Yeah, so whether it's you already know you want the contract, which I'm sure you do, then give us a call. Or if you just have additional questions, me or someone on our team would be happy to go over details.
All right, very good. And so agents can, and frankly are encouraged to get contracted prior to writing that first piece of business, right?
Correct. Remember, this is going to be a very hot annuity coming out in the beginning of 2021. So there's going to be a lot of agents asking for this contract. So that means contracting might take a little bit. So the sooner you do it, the better.
Yeah, absolutely. You don't want to sell a policy, sell an FIA, and have the client wondering where the contract is, but it's being delayed because your contracting is taking a little extra time. Hey, listen, we're running out of time, but I want to make sure I hit this last point. I believe Gord Marketing has a little incentive going on to encourage agents to get off to a fast start.
We do. It's going to be called our Fast Track program, encouraging you to, like we just said, hop on contracting, get it done, so that way you can take care of your clients and not have to wait on that, but also incentivize the agent to try out this product and see how it compares.
All right, so get contracted, sell a piece of business, and there might be a little something extra in it for you. All right, so listen, I want to thank Brendon for joining me today to talk about this exciting opportunity. Once again, exclusively offered through Gord Marketing. So if you're interested in learning more about the product, how to get contracted, etc., be sure to reach out to us in general or with Brendon in specific. But I have to call this episode of Selling Life and Annuities to an end. I want to thank you for spending some of your time with us. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure you click subscribe at the bottom of this video and stay tuned every Tuesday for a brand new episode. I will see you soon. Have a great day.